Okay, that's the thumbnail. So basically, if you guys want to learn how to trade options, purchase my ebook at worley41.gumroad.com. Link will be in the description below or in my bio. And if you sign up with my Webull link located in the description below, Webull will give you 20 fractional shares once you deposit $100 or more into your account. All links will be in the description below or in my bio. So basically, the DogeCoin position in total, it is down $3,436 with 43 cents. So far, right now, I own what is it? 36,586 of DogeCoin. So that's how much I own of DogeCoin right now. Basically, looking at Doge on the daily chart. Doge has completely shattered all of the moving averages on the daily chart. On the weekly chart, though, you can see that Doge broke through the 50-day moving average, but it managed to regain the 50-day moving average. So if Doge could, use that 50-day moving average as support and bounce off of it, then we can see Doge go up more. But by the looks of it, it's just been doing like a staircase in a way, like pattern. And then right now it looks like the 9-day moving average wants to cross over the 9-day moving average wants to cross over the 20-day moving average. Typically, when that happens, that means that that particular stock / crypto will be in a bearish trend. So we'll see what happens. And on the monthly chart, let's see how it looks on the monthly chart. On the monthly chart, it looks like it's below the 9-day moving average, but by the looks of it, if Doge does decide to approach that 20-day moving average, maybe it could bounce off of it, just based off what has happened in the past with Doge. Looking at it, here last year July, then last year August, September, October, basically use the 20-day moving average as support on the monthly chart. So we'll have to see what happens, honestly. And then overall, the crypto market's just been in a slump. Why? Trump is in office. A whole lot of economic factors that are going around in the world right now. Let me do a quick analysis on Bitcoin. So, yeah, Bitcoin dropped all the way from the 100,000 range all the way to 85,000 now. So it looks like on the daily chart, right? Bitcoin is trying its best to maintain itself above that 180-day moving average. So today's candle, it bounced off the 180-day moving average. It bounced off of it. We'll have to see if there will be more upwards momentum from Bitcoin. On the weekly chart, it completely shattered the 20-day moving average. It hasn't used the 50-day moving average as support yet, but based off in the past, these, right here in this area, right, Bitcoin has used the 50-day moving average as support. So if Bitcoin does decide to go down even more, maybe it could use the 50-day moving average as support. Now in the monthly chart, things are looking good because you can see that right here, which is last year July, August, September, October, November, basically those monthly candles use the 9-day moving average as support. So even this one too. So even the February candle of this year used the 9-day moving average as support and then bounced off of it. So if Bitcoin does decide to break, not break but land on the 9-day moving average, it could use it as support. So maybe we could see Bitcoin go up more. a lot of people are speculating that this year is the altcoin season. Due to the reason is because history is repeating itself. A lot of people feel like now that Trump is in office and is pro crypto, it was going to be a stance of, this year is going to, this year's altcoin season was going to be a little bit more different. A lot of people indicated that it was going to be twice as how do you say, like, volatile. So in a way, I do feel like it's still too early to see if altcoin season is going to even happen this year at all, or if at all is history going to repeat itself, right? History doesn't always have to repeat itself, but a lot of people are indicating that this year is altcoin season. And then if you look at this altcoin index, right now it's saying it's Bitcoin season. We are not in an altcoin season yet because the number reads 24. So once we reach 75, right, that's when we'll be in a altcoin season. As of now, we are not in an altcoin season. So yeah, we'll just have to wait and see what happens. And basically just try your best to, if you're trading in any cryptocurrency or stock, try your best to map out your levels of support and resistance. Try to dollar cost average if you got into a shaky position of that crypto or stock that you got into, and try your best to dollar cost average. Dollar costing averaging is basically your best friend when you're in a trade, because let's say you buy here at, I don't know, let's say you buy here like around this little small support level around 94,000, and then if you analyze the chart and start seeing that Bitcoin is having trouble breaking that 9-day moving average, right? I'm just gonna patiently wait and see if can Bitcoin keep going down more and more. That way I can buy here around this 180 or 200-day range. So once it lands on any of those moving averages, that's where I'll accumulate more Bitcoin buying. So try your best to use moving averages, use support and resistance. Try to try your best to read and study charts in a way. So yeah, that is pretty much it. So I will talk about the reselling thing tomorrow because I don't have enough time right now, but I'll see you guys in the next video. If you guys want to learn how to trade options, purchase my ebook located at worldly41.gumroad.com. If you sign up with my Webull link located in the description below, Webull will give you 20 fractional shares once you deposit $100 or more into your account. And basically the DogeCoin position is down $3,436 with 43 cents. So that's pretty much it. I'll keep you guys updated. This is a long journey, honestly, so I'm not here to get in and get out quickly. This is more of a long-term trade, so we'll honestly see how this turns out to be. So that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next video. As always, take care, and as always, this is not financial advice. As always, take care. Bye.